Hi friends, today I am going to review of STRIFF adjustable laptop tabletop stand portable foldable compatible with MacBook notebook, tablet, tray desk, table book with free phone stand. Let's explore it. This stand has a thin hard plastic frame. It can be easily folded and carried around. Durable enough to withstand the weight up to 25 kg. Raise your laptop or tablet or any of the 7 adjustable height from 2.7 inch to 6.7 inch up to 60 degree so you can get a clear glare-free view with getting neck pain relief and preventing eye strain. It can be used as a stand for any books, any maps, laptop, tablet and mobile as well. It can be used for streaming video for laptop, phone, other devices also. To prevent your computer from overheating, the laptop stand has a large cutout, vents and adjustable height options that allow air to circulate from all the sides, well ventilated. It comes with extra phone holder. Keep your phone right where you need it.